In this body camera footage from the Athens-Clarke County Police in Georgia, officers are confronted with a disturbed man, bloody and armed with a knife. They make extraordinary efforts to de-escalate the encounter. Suddenly, the subject charges one of the officers. That's when an officer-involved shooting occurs. Take note of how quickly the subject closes distance on the officer. Then, despite being shot several times, he still manages to take the officer to the ground and attempts to take his firearm.
Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put it down! I've got one at gunpoint, Central. Put the knife down! Put it down! Put it down! Hey, back up. He's not complying to command, Central. He's coming at us with a knife. Knife down! Knife down! Knife down! Put the knife down, sir, please. Put the knife down. Put it down, man, please. Help you out, man. We can help you, please. We can help you. Put it down. Put the knife down. Put it down. No, no. No. No, please don't, sir. Please don't. Do it. No. Please don't. Central, we need units here, 1018. Put the knife down. Put the knife down, sir, please. Please, sir. Put the knife down. We can help you. Put the knife down. Please, put the knife down. Put it down. Don't do this. Put the knife down. Put the knife down, sir. Please. Please, put the knife down. Put the knife down, please, man. Please. Put the knife down. Put it down! Please, no, man, no! Hey, let's wait. Put it down, please! No, 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 no! Hands behind your back! No! No! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Kill me! No! No! Get on the ground, man! Say something. No, no, no! Ah! Stop! Oh, God! Hey, you good? You good? You good? Essentially, he just shot the gun from those officers' gun. We've got shots fired again.
Oh, there he is.
Central 10-3. Put the knife down! Knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put it down! Put it down! Put the knife down, sir! Hey, back up. Put the knife down! Knife down! Knife down! Knife down! Put the knife down, sir, please! Put the knife down! We can help you out, man! We can help you! We can help you! Move! Put the knife down! No! 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 Please don't, sir! Please don't! No! Please don't! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down, sir, please! Please, sir! We can help you! We can help you! Put the knife down! Please, put the knife down! Don't do this! Don't do this! Put the knife down! Put the knife down, sir! Please! Please, put the knife down! Put the knife down, please, man! Please! Put the knife down, please. Who's my closest unit? He's still walking at us with a knife, not following commands. Put the knife down. All right, we're getting on Macon Highway now. Please, no, man, no. Hey, less lethal. Put the knife down, please. No, 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 no. Put the knife. Shots fired, Central, shots fired. Put the knife. Hands behind your back. Ah, no, 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 no. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. No. Get on the ground, man. Tase him. No, no, no. Oh, he's covering my gun. Ah. Oh, God. He grabbed my gun. Yeah. Come here. No. Where are you hit? No, no, I'm not hit, man. I'm not hit, man. All right, hey, take a breath.